Today is a great proud moment for us that we have started, the AIMS Bhubaneswar has started this robotic surgery in total knee replacement, and this is the first case in our eastern region of the India, especially in the Odisha government sector. This is the first case, and I would like to congratulate our team, the surgery orthopedic department, especially Dr. Vishnu Patro and all the team faculty members and all the nursing staff, other staff supported this the very high technology based operation replacement. In this robotic surgery, this is a very important surgery because we have very much technology is required, and our surgeons are well versed and they are well trained with this robotic total knee replacement. So this is a very successful operation has been conducted by our surgeon today, and it's a very happy moment. So here, what are the advantages by using this robot in replacement? Most important is the difficult cases when the patients having most lately coming to the hospital, and there are a lot of difficulties in normal conventional way. When the surgeon is going for replacement, they find more difficulties in this and more complications also expected in conventional way. But if we use this robotic technology, is a more precise and more accurate for the replacement, and complications are also less, and the longevity of the knee replacement is longer than the conventional way. So it's a very useful for the patient and also very helpful that patient complication, morbidity and mortality is also very less. So this is the very important concept of robotic technology using in knee replacement, and we have successfully started this, and I would like to again congratulate all the team members here for successfully conducting this surgery, and the patient is fully out of any complications, fully well, and everything is fine with using this robotic technology, and hopefully we'll be using this again and again, and it will be very beneficial for the poor people, and there is no extra cost for this, and the patients are getting more benefited with this use of robotic technology, robotic surgery for the knee replacement. Thank you very much. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଥିରେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଆଗରୁ ଯାହା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଉଥିଲା ଯେଉଁ ନି ରିପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ସେମ୍ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ସେଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଇସା ଯେତେ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ସେତିକି ହେଇଯିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ କଥା ହେଉଛି ଯେ ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଆଗରୁ ଯେଉଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍, ତାପରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲେଟ୍ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏକଦମ ପୁରା ନି ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁରା ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁ ବୋନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲା, ସେତେବେଳେ ମ୍ୟାନୁଆଲ୍ ଅପରେସନ୍ ବହୁତ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ହେଉଥିଲା। ଆଉ ଏବେ ୱିଥ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଯେ ରୋବୋଟିକ୍ ଇନ୍ଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମର ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି କହିଦେଉଛି ଯେ ତୁମେ କେମିତି ଅପରେସନ୍ କରିବ, କେଉଁ ପୋର୍ସନଟା କେତେ କାଟିବ, କ'ଣ ଏକଦମ ଏକୁରେଟଲି ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ମାନେ ଏକଦମ ଭାର୍ଚୁଆଲି ସର୍ଜନକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ ମିଳୁଛି ଯେ କେତେ ଏକୁରେସିରେ ତୁମେ କେମିତି କଟା ହେବ, କେମିତି ସର୍ଜରୀ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ଟା ଏବେ କମିଯିବ ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ ଭେରି ରେୟାରଲି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ତାପରେ ଲଙ୍ଗଜିଭିଟି ବି ବଢ଼ିବ। जो रिप्लेसमेंट है तार क्योंकि कहीं एक्यूरेसी है पर तार कॉम्प्लिकेशन जदि है तो पुणी तार रिप्लेसमेंट पुणी चेंज कराव, किंतु एथिरे कौन लंगजिविटी बढ़ी कहीं यहाँ पूरा फिट एंड पूरा एक्यूरेटली है। आउे आपणकर मेन जो है कि देखा जाऊँगी लोक मैंने बहुत लेट्रे आसती, लेट्रे आसिले आउ सब तार कॉम्प्लिकेशन बेसी हुए, किंतु यहीटा रोबोटिक यूज कला परे कॉम्प्लिकेशन कम, लंगजिविटी बढ़ सेटा हूँ सबुठ बेस्ट हेल्प आएगा बिना ट्रेनिंग रे तो यहाँ यूज कर सेटा आपणकर सब आम सर्जन मैंने ट्रेंड अच्छा से ट्रेंड अलरेडी होती आउ मेसीन आसला से यूज कले आउट फास्ट केस एंड सक्सेसफुली कंडक्ट है आज्ञा मेसीन ए नुआ आसला नहीं 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 एबे मासे केबे एटा इंस्टॉल 7 days एबे 7
रोबोट करेनि करिबो तो डॉक्टर
हाँ माने
गाइड
रोबोट हेल्प रे आपनकर 80 मिनिट्स अराउंड एवरेज टाइम एबे धरंतु हमरो एबे नुआ फर्स्ट केस हुए तो तापरे धीरे धीरे एटा कमी जीवो बा डिपेंड ऑन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसेस आल्सो डिफिकल्ट केसेस इजी केसेस ता ऊपर एवरेज आपनकर घंटे 2 घंटे माने 80 मिनिट्स 90 मिनिट्स से
रोबोट रो सहायता सर टाइम निया
सहायता कहली परा जे आपनकर जो गुड़ा कन्वेंशनल डॉक्टर जो ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन से माने देखि करी केस के नहीं नहीं एटा बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एटा हेई परिबो नाही किंतु जो मन को पाखरे रोबोट अछि से जो सर्जन यूज करचंती से कर दबे याना एई हेल्पटा बहुत माने इंपोर्टेंट रोबोट टेक्नोलॉजी हेले आपनकर सेटा करी हबो पुनी कॉम्प्लिकेशन भी कम हो मास 1 मंथली हमरो 150 नी रिप्लेसमेंट होची एम्स रे अराउंड 150 पर मंथ आउ ए रोबोट आसी गले धरंतु कॉम्प्लिकेशन कम हैला तापरे आपनकर इजीली करी हबो टाइम भी कम हेई पारे कम लागी पारे एगुडा एबे देखिबा केमती कोन तो आमे फैसिलिटेट करी कि तापरे जानिबा